On a dark early Monday morning, Hurricane Beryl, a powerful Category 1 storm, swept ashore in Texas, unleashing its fury on Houston, the nation's fourth largest city. Beryl brought with it heavy rains, powerful winds, and widespread destruction. Making landfall around 4 a.m., Beryl quickly closed streets in storm-weary Houston. This city, already battered by heavy storms in recent months, now faced more flooding and devastation. The storm's impact was immediate and severe, with flood warnings in effect across a wide stretch of the Texas coast. High waters surged through the streets, and in the Houston suburb of Humble, tragedy struck when a tree fell on a house, trapping and killing a man beneath the debris.
Wild. Yeah.
The Harris County Sheriff's Office reported this heartbreaking incident, highlighting the storm's deadly force. Centerpoint Energy in Houston reported that 1.5 million homes and businesses were without power just hours after the storm made landfall. The powerful storm surge pushed water ashore, and further inland, heavy rains continued to fall, exacerbating the already dire situation. In Rosenberg, a suburb of Houston, police urged residents to stay off the roads. One of their high-water rescue vehicles was hit by a falling tree while returning from a rescue mission. This incident underscores the extreme danger faced by both residents and first responders during such a catastrophic event.
Meu Deus do céu, e a minha avó, Pedro?
Galveston, a barrier island city, experienced heavy street flooding, and Houston was under a flash flood warning for most of the morning as heavy rain continued to drench the city. The National Weather Service predicted that Beryl would weaken to a tropical storm by Monday and a tropical depression by Tuesday, forecasting a turn to the northeast and an increase in speed. The storm's center was expected to move over eastern Texas on Monday and then through the lower Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley on Tuesday and Wednesday. However, as Jack Bevan, a senior hurricane specialist at the National Hurricane Center, stated, Beryl's moving inland, but this is not the end of the story yet. Hurricane Beryl's impact extended beyond the immediate area, with more than 1,000 flights cancelled at Houston's 2 airports. Flight tracking data from FlightAware painted a grim picture for travelers as the storm wreaked havoc on air travel plans. Before reaching Texas, Beryl had already cut a deadly path through parts of Mexico and the Caribbean. As the earliest storm to develop into a Category 5 hurricane in the Atlantic, Beryl caused at least 11 deaths in the Caribbean. The storm's devastating winds and storm surge, fueled by the Atlantic's record warmth, ripped off doors, windows, and roofs. In Jamaica, Barbados, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Beryl wrought significant destruction. The storm's fury resulted in 3 deaths in Grenada, 3 in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 3 in Venezuela, and 2 in Jamaica. The loss of life and widespread damage in these regions is a stark reminder of the storm's deadly power. Throughout its 1-week lifespan, Beryl rapidly intensified 3 times, gaining 35 miles per hour in wind speed within 24 hours or less. This rapid intensification is a clear indication of the storm's unpredictable and dangerous nature. As Hurricane Beryl moves inland and begins to weaken, the recovery process in Texas and the Caribbean will be long and arduous. Communities are coming together to help those in need, and the resilience of the human spirit shines through in the face of such natural disasters. Stay safe, stay informed. This has been a report on Hurricane Beryl's devastating impact. Thank you for watching.